Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Pepe again. So Pepe sideways, and we do have Pepe, just consolidating at the moment. And I want to turn on the logarithmic scale. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, back to the logarithmic scale. So if we do look at the logarithmic scale being turned on right now, then Pepe has a trend line like this, okay? And if you look at the logarithmic scale, basically one touch, two touch, and the retest is already done and successful. Now, for me personally, I don't know if there's going to be any manipulation because Binance is known for that so much, but there could be chances that people have the stop losses here, and if it does come down and take this stop loss, I wouldn't be surprised. But on a perfect scenario, on a perfect world, I do expect to see Pepe coming up here. This is a level that I've talked about before, that Pepe hasn't really touched this price level, 14,000. We're trading at 12,000. I made the update back in some like 4 or 5 days ago, talking about this channel moving down. You broke the channel, you're coming above the channel. So basically this little bit of a downtrend, that mini downtrend, is actually cancelled, and there is a new upside here because you're making the low, the higher lows as well. So if you go up, come down like this, you still have the low, you still have the higher low, and then continue up, come down, and then go back up, and then you finally meet this technical target. That would be perfectly normal. Okay, that's not a big issue. So basically, even if this drops down and retest the line again, which is this trend line, it's something that is very, very normal and can happen because everyone knows the stop loss is here. Everybody knows that because this is Binance once again. Okay, I mean, other exchanges don't really do this much of manipulations, but anything that does actually is thrown into. But I hope CZ never watches my video, because he's gonna be like, man, this guy's behind me, is after me, against me all the time. But truth being told, yeah, I am a big fan of Binance back in the days, but not now anymore. If you're gonna be playing with people and manipulate people, well, that's not cool. So let's try to check how the 4-hour time frame is looking like, and can better navigate this one. So basically, we're just trying to climb up. Okay, we're trying to make this small ascending triangle right here. Now if this ascending triangle does break down like this, then you basically come down and take this stop loss. Otherwise, you're looking for a move up, and normally ascending triangles, when you go up like this, they are continuation to move even higher. But in Binance case, the rules don't work anymore. It's just gonna maybe pop even down. So that's it for this Pepe update. Just a very, very quick one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.